Hello. In this video, I'm going to unbox and give you the first impressions about this Iniu PowerBank P41L. Disclosure, it was sent to me by Iniu to make an honest and unbiased review, and even before they asked me about collaboration, I was a Iniu customer, so and a happy customer. So it's pretty nice that they thought about me to make this collaboration. So let me show you how the box looks. Pretty simple. This is important. 3 years of warranty. So pretty nice. Let me, and they say that they have a surprise, so I need to scan this with the Amazon app. So let's open this. Here you go. And easy to take out. It has this little kind of tongue to pull. There you go. Oh, pretty tiny. I'm start loving it. Look how tiny it is. It has this built-in cable, but you can put a USB-C or a USB-A as well. Look, nice. So you can put it there. It has this little dog foot print. Okay, usually you have here the power on, so you have also this little flashlight. Usually you have to press for a while in order for this to turn on. Maybe I need to check the instructions. So nice, pretty nice. Let me get. So we have also here the user manual. So blah blah blah. Press sharp. I think this should be pretty intuitive to use. You have also this card to Iniu shop. Okay, nice. So let me try this. Okay. Oh, this is nice because this is the battery indicator. Nice. So you can see that 2 of the fingers are off. Nice. You need to press twice to turn the flashlight on and off. There you go. Pretty cute. And let me put this to charge for a little so I can check if this is seems nice, and I can't stress enough how I love the fact that it's so tiny. So it has 10,000 milliamps, okay, which I believe will allow me to charge my cell phone a couple of times, which is nice. So this was the unboxing and first impressions about this Iniu PowerBank P41L. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.